guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a get to look video for you, and it is inspired by Miss Hailey Bieber. So Hailey has a very natural bronze California beachy vibe to her. Well, to her makeup anyway. She's usually kind of very trendy with her clothing, but her makeup is kept very natural but very glowy, which is right up my alley because I don't like to wear too much makeup, and also because we're in quarantine and I haven't put makeup on in 4 weeks, so I feel like I forgot how to do that. So this look isn't too hard, so it is perfect for me. So I'm going to show you a makeup look, a hair look, and an outfit. The whole Hailey Bieber look. So let's get started. First, let me start with the makeup look. So before I do my makeup, I always wash my face. Lately, I've been using Clean and Clear. I use the Morning Burst one in the morning, and then at night too, if you're interested, I use the night one. But before I do my makeup, since I'm usually doing that in the day or sometime during the day, I'm using the Morning Burst, and then I am moisturizing my face with Clinique moisturizing gel. I like the gel one better. The lotion one leaves my skin feeling sticky. Alright, to start off with the makeup, I'm going to be using the Naked concealer, and this is in the color 40NN. I thought it had like a name too. I don't know, but I'll leave everything links that I use down below. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this underneath my eye, down the bridge of my nose, the side of my nose, my chin, and a little bit of my forehead. So I'm not using that much right now. Since I haven't been using makeup, my skin's been really good. Now I'm going to ruin it because I'm putting on makeup. So I'm just going to go in lightly and kind of pat that in. Just lighten up those points of your face. Plus, I didn't go to bed until like 3 o'clock. I don't know about you guys, but quarantine is like messing up my sleep schedule. Go to bed at like 5 a.m., wake up at 2 p.m. It's usually how it goes. Alright, so now usually after that I just go in with my hands. I feel like the heat of my hands and my fingertips kind of melt the product into my face. And don't worry, I washed my hands 18 times already today. So next I'm using the NARS bronzer in Laguna, and I'm just going to go in and bronze my face up. So I'm going to be hitting the points that you usually would use to contour as well, but I'm not going to be contouring. Like I said, you want to keep this natural, and there is a natural contour in everyone's face, but I'm not going to make it like super contoured. And I'm also going to bring it through my forehead, down my jawline, and like a little bit on my cheeks too, because with Hailey, she goes for a very beachy bronze look. So normally when you go to the beach, your whole face gets that beachy bronze look, not just the contours of your face. So I'm going to kind of put it everywhere, but not everywhere. So you'll see what I mean. So I'm going to bring that normally where I would have a contour, bring it up, down the jaw, down my neck as well. Forehead, I usually will focus on the temples, but then I sweep it across. But then at the end, I like to squeeze the end of my brush just to get a little bit more definition in there. And then I also will bring it down the sides of my nose and then just blend that in again. So then I'm going to be using the NARS blush in Torrid. I'm going to take my blush. I'm going to start at the end part and work my way into my cheek. And then I'm also going to have whatever's left on the product and bring that across my nose. Because for that effortless, beachy look, you get a nice tan across your face usually. That redness across your face. Alright, so before I go into the glow part of this natural glowing look, I'm going to bring out my bronzer again and just put that through the crease of my eyelid just to give it some definition, but we don't want to put too much color on it. I feel that sometimes Hailey, when she goes to events, she does her eyes a little bit more dramatic, but we're going for her everyday look because we are in quarantine and we don't need to be glamorous. But if you want, you can. So now I'm going to go in with these iconic London drops. Shake that up a bit. Now these are lethal. Like, these come out so pigmented, so you kind of got to be careful. So I apply it to my hand first, and then I use my hands, use my finger. I dab it a little bit. Now if you're wearing a foundation or a lot of concealer, I notice this does remove the makeup if you're not careful with it, but I'm going to go put that in my high point. I like a little brow highlight as well. So I'm dabbing, but I'm also pulling. But you don't want to like rub because it's going to take your makeup right off. And then I'm going to bring a little bit down my nose, focusing on the tip, and a little bit on my Cupid's bow. Then to complete the eyes, I'm going in with an eyelash curler, and then I'm going in with Bad Gal Bang by Benefit mascara. And I'm going to do my top mascara, but then also lightly get the bottom a little bit, focusing on the outside of the bottom lash. Then for my lips, I'm going to be using a natural color. This is called the Painted Veil from Gucci's lipstick collection. It's my all-time favorite. I think this is the satin finish. So I'll dab it a little bit, mostly focusing on the bottom. Just to get the color on. And then I'm just going to finish it off with a little gloss. Just a dab in the middle. And that also helps keep the attention to the center of your lips, which makes them look fuller. So then to finish off the look, Hailey always says that her favorite part of the look is the highlight, and she finishes off her liquid highlight with some powder highlight. So I'm just going to go in and go over the spots where I highlighted before with a powder. And I'm using Fenty Beauty in the color Mean Money and Hustler Baby, and I need to get a new one, as you can tell. For now, I'm not going anywhere, so I'll use this for the next few weeks while we're still staying at home. Okay, so that is the makeup look. Very natural, very easy. Alright, so now for the hair portion of Hailey's Get the Look. So I actually recently cut my hair similar to hers, but I went a little bit shorter than I would have liked, and actually grew a lot since I did it. But you know what, I got used to it. I had some really cute hairstyles with it, so you know what, all in all, hair grows back, so it is okay. But I did cut it similar to hers. I love her whiskey pieces that she has in the front when she has her hair up. But Hailey is known for two looks, I feel like, and that's either the middle part with the slicked back bun, or she's been having recently, which what made me cut my hair like this, is the bun on top with the two pieces forward. So that's what I'm going to be doing today for this Get the Look. Just feel like it goes with this outfit that I'm doing a little bit better. So for this hairstyle, we are going to be centering it down the middle. And you can do this style too if your hair isn't cut shorter in the front, but I did go ahead and do that when I got my hair cut last time, so it makes it a little bit easier. But actually maybe not, because when I got my hair cut, I got these pieces cut from my normal part that I wear this way. So when I wear it in the center, it is a little bit uneven, but it's okay. It's still cute. So you're just going to take two pieces on either side, try to get them in evenly thick as possible. So then usually, I'm not gonna lie, I usually just put these pieces in my mouth, but since I just did my makeup and I am on YouTube, I'm going to tie those pieces with the hair scrunchie I'm using just to get it out of the way for now. Then I'm gonna brush these pieces back, and we're just gonna put it in a top knot. Now you can do whatever style is easier for you when you do your own top knot. Some people have to put it in a ponytail first. Some people braid it, whatever you want to do. But I just bring mine back. And then when I have it at the height I want, I start twisting at the nape of the ponytail. And then just swing it around. And the best part about with top knots and messy buns is it can be messy. And usually the messier, the better it looks. And then I'm just securing it with an elastic tie, and you can kind of play around with it, pull out more hair if you want to, and then you have these two pieces in the front. Now you can leave these two pieces straight if you want to, but Hailey usually has hers with a little bit of curve into it. So I'm going to be taking a, what is this called? I'm going to be taking a curling iron and just lightly curling the pieces. So I'm going to start from the top, wrap it around, not even use it as a real curling iron, keep the ends off of it, and only for about like 3 or 4 seconds, and it makes a nice little curl. And what's the best part about it is it will fall out and it will be a little bit more natural looking. So I'm going to do the same thing to the other side, wrap it around, leave the end out, and we have curls, people. And like I said too, after time these fall out and look a little bit more natural. So even if you wanted, if you are going to recreate this look, do the hair first so it gives you more time for your curls to fall out. So that is the hairstyle. And now into the full look. So Hailey's known most for wearing her oversized sweaters and her effortless, natural, comfortable look. Now she wears her oversized sweaters with jeans, jean shorts, or her most popular look with spandex shorts. So that's what I'm sporting today. So this is a David Dobrik Vlog Squad clickbait sweatshirt, and I bought it oversized so I can wear it oversized with some shorts, as a dress, whatever I want to do with it. And then I'm wearing some ASOS, these are like $9, cotton bike shorts. And then I have on Nike socks. She's always wearing a tube sock. And I have on these Adidas sports shoes. She wears Yeezys a lot. She wears a lot of Adidas actually, so I think she actually has these. These are called the Falcons. I believe that Hailey does have these in a natural color that she always is wearing with her said oversized, comfortable spandex look. And then one thing too that Hailey always is sporting, gold, thick, little small hoops. I got these from a boutique, but they are literally everywhere now. ASOS, Forever, Pretty Little Thing, you name it, they're everywhere now. So that is the whole Hailey Bieber get the look. I'll also leave a picture of the full outfit right here. I saw that Sarah Ashcroft did this, and I love that idea because sometimes when you're filming yourself on YouTube, you can't get the full gauge of the outfit and how it actually looks. So I love that she was doing that. So this is what the whole outfit looks like. And thank you guys so much for watching this Get the Look video. If you like this, leave a thumbs up below, comment, let me know if you try the look. If you do, tag me in it on Instagram at KeeganCP. And make sure you guys are subscribed for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!